So, hi everyone, welcome to Microbit. Now let's learn about the project. So everyone, if you want to click button about the lesson, today is we need to study Unit 9. So this is how to use the button in censoring. We can add so to use that we need one sensor called a pushing button. So let me tell you, first go basic and take for our blocks. So go pins and take digital right pin that, and then we go pin again, digital right pin, and put in the right pin here that we have the numbers. So now go to serial and take this, and we go pin again, take this and put at the number again. When we do like that, it's gonna becoming like that. So bye everyone to listening my video.